Hi, guineas. Good morning. Hey, everybody. It's Joe from American Roots Farms and the guineas from American Roots Farms. It's been a while since we put a video out. Today we're going to do one on our grid down system. That's our solar. When the grid down readout shipped, it arrived well packaged and very heavy. With the battery and the inverter, it was about 367 pounds. Here's my really good friend Tag at Life Done Free, doing what he does best, building capability. To hold the weight of the batteries and the inverter on the wall, he blocked behind the drywall with 2x6s. He's marking where the brackets will attach to the wall with 1/2-inch lag bolts. I didn't speed this up. This guy is really this fast. Here we have three 13.5 kilowatt hour batteries sitting on the floor. It is the 12 kilowatt PV inverter, the brain of the system. You also might have noticed the washer and dryer hookup to the left. We actually capped that and moved it into the bathroom. That's a picture of me and Jess, one step closer to power independence. They make it really easy to connect everything. At this point, I've had zero experience with solar and had to make a bunch of calls to my amazing cousin Richie, who educated and walked me through most of the commissioning process. Don't worry if you don't have a cousin Richie. The tech folks at Lion Energy can help with whatever you need. Super great people there that support a great product. Each battery comes with wire cover, all the positive and negative cables, and the BMS cables. The inverter includes heavy-duty bus bars and a wire cover. We're just looking at everything not yet hooked up. I was able to hide all of my wires in the wall. Nothing fancy. When I built this addition, I built an exterior and an interior wall with a 3-inch air gap in between, so that made it really easy to run all my connections in the back. I did have to go online at Lion Energy and get certified as an installer. There's basically 12 videos to watch and some tests after each video that goes through the entire installation and commissioning process. It was still a bit of a learning curve. It didn't take that long, and now I've installed 5 of them. Here I am finishing up the commissioning process. It did take a little bit of time, but it's getting easier and easier each time that I need. That solid green light is a beautiful thing. That means it's a completed and perfectly operating off-grid power system. No faults, and no more trips to the laundromat. Just checking out the dryer, making sure power is running good. Your batteries and inverter need something to feed the power. So here we are pulling out panels from the shipping container and taking them back up front. Tag showed up again and helped me build this solar array, and now I'm just attaching each panel so they won't blow away. This was pretty easy, and the location was only about 120 feet from the inverter, so trenching wasn't that hard. The difficult part for me was getting it squared up. If you want a system like this, you can go to griddown.com and look at all the different configurations and features. I've installed 5 of these systems in the past 10 months, and they just keep getting better. You can use code ARF for American Roots Farm if you order one. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.